everybody, welcome to my channel. And today I will show you this brand new scooter that my mom and my dad got me from Costco. It has two wheels and it has bunches of lights. See? It has rainbow lights. It's a Jetson scooter. See? Lights up wheels. That's cool. See? Learn to steer. This is so cool. Okay, now let's go into the back of the box. So big, giant, everybody. See? This is so cool. Right, everybody? This is so heavy. This costs $500 in Costco. So yeah. Now let's start unboxing it. Hold on a minute, guys. Give me a second. Okay, now I'm back. Alright, let's take this out. And no way! No! Look at this! Look at this! Let's go over here so there can be more space. Oh my god. Ugh, this is so heavy. I will put the camera. Whoa! Alright, everybody. Now it is unboxed. Now that it's unboxed, these are the instructions. See? Instruction manual, policey manual, So cool. Bring this up. Alright, we got the manuals. Hey guys, look, this actually looks like a screwdriver. See? And now, gotta take out the bag. Oh look, it has a speaker. So it can make sound. Of course it needs AAA batteries. Yeah, I know. It needs AAA batteries. So yeah, this is so cool. Taking this out. Come on. Yeah, we got it. We got this. Now let's take this out. Wait. Alright. How do you take this off? Anyways, let's take out the rubber bands. Plastic. There we go. Look at this. So cool, right? I'm gonna use this summer 2022. Okay, I'm gonna find a way to get this out. Oh. Okay, I think I'll need some scissors to cut this. Yeah, I need to put in the batteries. These batteries, of course? Yeah, and then it does need batteries. Yeah, I'm gonna find a screwdriver. Oh my! This scooter looks pretty nice and it's brand new. Jetson. See? So I use the speaker to make lots of sounds. Oh look, another switch. This also needs AAA batteries. Yeah. So cool. Alright, okay. My dad got me the scissors. Now, let's take this out. Yeah, I'm gonna get the batteries later, tomorrow, Tuesday, the AAA batteries. There we go, cutting it. There we go. Finally. Okay, so how do you make this go up? I don't know. I don't know how to make this go up. Oh wait, you need this. So this can go up. Yeah. That's what I need to do. Okay, which one? I think this one. Oh, yeah, it's actually one. Wait. Oh, yeah. Wait. See which one you need to get. No, this one. Okay, look. ¿Cómo tú pones esa arriba? ¿Cómo tú pones esa arriba? Oh. I gotta ask my brother to see if he can get this up. Of course it's cool. Oh, it works. It works. Oh, what the? Okay. Oh, whoa, it goes up. That's nice, it's cool. Look at this. Okay, now it's not going down. It's not going down anymore. And these AAA batteries. And these AAA batteries here. Yeah. It keeps going up. Whoa. It comes out. Okay, leave it like that. Leave it like that. This is so cool. This is a pretty nice scooter. Wow. Now let's test it out. Yeah, tomorrow, Tuesday, my dad's gonna put the batteries in here, see if it lights up.
Mañana tú lo grabas ya, eso ya.
Whoa. Look at me in the scooter. This is so cool. Whoa. The wheels are lighting up. See, look. Watch the wheels. wheels light up too. This is so cool. Whoa! Almost crashed.
66%.
Whoa! This is so fun. This is so much fun.